As an adventure filmmaker and photographer, keeping my equipment powered is one of many challenges faced while working in remote locations. My journey starts with a peaceful walk past stunning lakes, cascading streams and lowland fells. But it's not long before I start heading up into the wild and rugged landscape, and I'm drawn towards the mountains that lay ahead of me. Without access to a power supply, my time working in these environments would be limited, and on a multi-day trip like this, it wouldn't be long before my batteries run low. Using Powertraveller, I am able to charge my kit while on the move, which has been essential with my line of work. Many of my trips take me to off-grid locations requiring overnight camping. Whilst I sleep, I can rest assured that my kit will be charged, ready for another day of adventure. The following day, feeling rested in the mountain air and with my kit charged, I pack up and leave the cave. Walking through this incredible scenery with more adventure ahead of me, I take comfort in the knowledge that my kit will be powered as I journey onwards.